This one is really similar to question number 2 in that you need to first factor out that g. It's as if I had 3x plus 2x plus x equals 12. If I wanted to solve this, instead of just combining the like terms, 3x plus 2x plus x, that would give me 6x equals 12. And then I can divide both sides by 6 and get x equals 2. You can't combine the like terms in something like this because we don't know what h is and what t is. We don't know how many g's minus how many g's plus how many g's. So you need to think of a different way to solve something like this. So another way to solve this problem and still get 2 is to factor out the x's. So to change that into a multiplication problem, notice that there's an x in every one of those. So when you ask yourself what's the greatest common factor of each of these terms, what can I divide each of those terms all by? I can divide them all by an x. And I'm left with a 3, a positive 2, and a positive 1. Now this is x times this 3 plus 2 plus 1. So now I can get x by itself by dividing by 3 plus 2 plus 1. Because anything divided by itself is just 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by that 3 plus 2 plus 1, and I end up with x equals 12 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6, which gives me that same answer too. So that's what you're going to do over here on the right. You're first going to factor out a g from each of those, and then you can move whatever comes out of each of those terms. When you factor out a g, you can move that to the other side.